Hi everyone. In HackerRank C problem series, now we are moving into digit frequency. Okay, I am doing the problems in a continuous manner in arrays and strings now, and the unsolved one, that is digit frequency. I'm going to click on solve challenge. What is the maximum score for this one is 25, and the difficulty is medium here. What is the problem statement here? Given a string S consisting of an alphabets and digits, find the frequency of each digit in a given string. That means here, this is the sample input. It is a string. It is consisting of some alphabets and numerical words also. Then from this we have to find out each digit 0 to 9. Just what is the output format? Print 10 space separated integers in a single line denoted the frequency of each digit from 0 to 9. That means if you observe this one, how many zeros are there? Zero. There is no zeros at all. That's why that is zero. And how many ones in this series? That is two. Just look at the explanation here. One occurrence two times, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7 occurrence one time, and the remaining 0, 3, 8, and 9 does not occur at all. That's why the output is like this. The same way for input 1 also, for input 2 also, we have to observe what are the digits are there, what is the digit frequency here. From 0 to 9, what is the digit frequency? How many times 0 repeated? How many times 1 repeated? Like that we have to calculate up to the 9. That's it. Very simple. This is the program here. Here we are going to write some char. We have to read some str of 100 like this. Why I'm writing here 100, but go to the constraints here. The constraints telling that the length of the string is going to be some 1000 like that. That's why instead of 100 I am going to write here 1000 here. For iteration I am going to take some I value, and I'm going to maintain one more array, that is some nums of 10 values is equal to 0. Why I'm taking this one? Nums of 0 means nums of 10. That means it is going to be, the index is starting from 0 to 9 here. That means I'm going to maintain the frequency in this array. Okay, from 0 to 9. For 0 I'm going to maintain the frequency in nums of 0. For 1 it is nums of 1. Like that I'm going to maintain the frequency. Initially I'm going to put all the frequencies to 0. That's why I'm taking like this. One thing we have to observe here, in a string there are some numbers, right? Some digits are there. For example, if it is 0, what is the ASCII value? Why you are dealing with ASCII values? It is a string, right? That's why for 0 it is going to be some 48. If you have any doubt, just we have to take some I is equal to 0 here. I am going to print this one, printf percentage cd, and I am going to write here I. Instead of I am going to take some a here. A is equal to 0. I am going to maintain one character here, and I am going to put like this. This is a single, it is a character now. A is equal to 0 here. I am going to maintain, I am going to print that 0 character in a integer format here. For example, if I run this code, just look at here, what is the ASCII value for 0? That is going to be 48. For example, this is going to be 9 here. This is going to be 9. That is going to be 57. That means 48 to 57 are the ASCII values for 0 to 9. That is clear, everyone, right? Now I am going to write a for loop. There is no need of this a character. I am going to maintain one for loop here. I is equal to 0. I am going to write end of the string. That's why str of I not equal to /0 and I plus plus. This is the loop to trace a string here. I am going to find here if str of I is greater than equal to 48, is greater than equal to 48, and str of I is less than equal to some 57. That means these are the 48 and 57 is the this is the 0th value and this is the 9th value. In between any character is there, that is the numerical value. Then simply I am going to modify here nums of I minus 48. For example, I am going to print here. I am going to print what is the ASCII values here. Printf percentage d. I am going to give some space and str of I am going to print for checking purpose only. This is not the output here. I am going to maintain here. Just look at the output here. This is going to be 48 and 51. Why it is like that? String str of I is greater than equal to 48. Oh, forget to read the string. That's it. I'm going to read the string here. How to read the string? Caps slash n. Yes, I'm going to read the string here. If I'm going to run it, just look at here. What is 49? That is 1 is 49. That's why it is repeated for 2 times. It is repeated for 2 times. Now, instead of printing that value, I am going to modify it in a nums in the nums array. How I am going to instead of nums of I am going to for 0 I am going to manipulate in 0th position. Yes, uh, if it is 9 I am going to modify it in a 9th position, right? That's why str of str of I minus 48. That means if it is a 0 value, what is 0 ASCII value? 0 ASCII value is 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0 here. Is equal to 0. For example, if it is 1, the ASCII value is 49 minus 48. What is the value now? The value is going to be 1. That is the index 1 here. For example, it is a 9 57 minus 48. 57 minus 48. What is the output here? The output is going to be 9. That means I am going to calculate here str of I minus 48. Then this indicates the position in the nums integer, nums array here. Now I am going to write here simply. Already I am going to maintain the values with 0, right? Simply I am going to mention here plus plus. Instead of doing anything, I am going to modify the nums values using plus plus symbol. Already it is initialized with zeros. Now simply I am going to write here some I is equal to 0, some I less than 10 values, only 10 values, right? Then I plus plus. Simply I am going to print what is the result of nums of I. That's it. Nums of I. If I am going to run the code, just look at here. All the sample 3 test cases are successfully compiled, and now I am going to click on submit code. Just the single line. This is the single line. What is str of I minus 48? The ASCII value of 8 is, for example, 56. 56 minus 48, that is going to be 8. Then I am going to apply nums of 8 plus plus. What is nums of 8? That is going to be 0. 0 plus plus is going to be 1. That means 8 is appeared one time. Like this I am going to clear all the test cases. Yes, that's it. Thank you very much. I will meet with next program. Thank you very much, guys.